This is the November Discovered Beauty Box. This edit is called Winter Rejuvenation and it's worth £105. Let's take a look to see what's inside. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this is the November Discovered Beauty Box. Let's open her on up. If you are interested in this box, I will link it down below for you. With the link you can get £3 off. It's £25 per month, so it's a nice little saving indeed. Yeah, with this box, I don't think I've ever had a box that I've been disappointed with, which is fabulous. You don't really get a set number of products. One time, one product was classed, it was like 7 lip products was classed as one. That's what I'm trying to say. So who knows how many products are in here, but you get skincare, hair care, beauty tools, makeup, household stuff like candles and stuff like that. If you have not already as well, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. I'm doing a giveaway at the moment. I will link it just there. That video is me unboxing the Glossy Box advent calendar, and I'm doing a giveaway for the advent calendar, so go and check that video out to see what you've got to do to be in with a chance to win. The winner will be announced on Christmas Day. But yes, inside this box we have a thank you card, basically thanking her for her purchase. We have the edit card. It has, I can't open it. It has all the information about the product, so we will be looking at that throughout the video. And then this is what inside the box looks like. There we go, there is a quick little peek. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So looking at the edit card, it just says at the top here, this edit is called Winter Rejuvenation. It just says, it's time to get rejuvenated, DBB fam. As the weather turns colder and the skies become grey, now is a perfect time for some rejuvenation. Get ready to delight your skin and senses. Think warm, bright, comfortable and hydrating. The first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Sandawha. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And this is a camellia flower antioxidant cream mask. Okay, we've got a nice mask. Or we hope it's nice in any way. This has an RRP of £26.19. It just says, keep your face nourished and moisturised during the cold weather with this cream mask. Just what is needed to smooth irritated skin whilst also minimising signs of fatigue. The mask also buffs away dirt particles and dead skin cells and frees the skin of excess oils. Created with goji berry, root and camellia flower extracts, aloe vera and chamomile, their soothing moisturising properties. So basically you pop it on, you leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then gently massage into the skin before rinsing off. It's apparently suitable for all skin types. Looking at the packaging, it's really cute. It's baby pink, very nice indeed. It's 50 grams that you get in here. Let's open it up. Okay, so that's what it looks like inside. So we get like a little spatula to scoop the mask out. Oh, that looks really interesting. I nearly dropped that there. That looks so interesting. I don't know if you can see that. Let's open it up. I really shouldn't, but never mind. Ooh, so look at that. That smells interesting. Very interesting indeed. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get in there and start using it. What I do like about this, on the bottom we have the use by dates on here. So let's have a look. It was made in 2020, July 2020, and it says that it expires on January 23. So get using it ASAP. We have a few months to get using this, but yeah, I'm going to get using it. I need to start using my masks. I've got hundreds and hundreds of masks. I need to get using them. This will have to go at the front of the queue because of the use by date. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Paw Paw, and it's the original clear lip balm. It has an RRP of £4.25 and it just says protect your lips with this multi-award winning lip care product. Formulated with pawpaw fruit to rejuvenate and hydrate, and castor oil and olive oil to protect the skin and maintain moisture. It's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's 100% natural. Okay, fab. It's not a wow product, if I'm honest. It's nice that it's the clear one because it truly is multifunctional. You can use it on your feet if you've got cracked skin, dry skin on your elbows. You can use this anywhere on your body basically, and because it's clear, you certainly can. So it's certainly a handy product, but not an exciting product. Oh yeah, it says here you can use it on your cuticles as well. Okay, but yeah, what do you think? So the third item we have is this. It is by Vegan by Happy Skin. I love this brand. I have a toner that I love using by this brand. It is amazing. I think so in any way. And this is a Pomegranate Brightening Eye Lift Serum. Ooh, this is this has an RRP of £59. Wow. It just says be prepared for brightened and lifted under eyes. A lightweight serum that helps to reduce dark circles and pigmentation, provide anti-aging benefits, and jam-packed full of antioxidants. Sounds awesome. Featuring pineapple and pomegranate extracts that aim to brighten and smoothen the under eye area. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's 98% natural ingredients. This is what it looks like. Plain, simple packaging. Sometimes that's just all you need. Let's open it up. Right, so there's a drop of it there. You can see it running down. Okay, it doesn't feel oily at all. It just feels like a very fine serum stroke water. And it smells gorgeous and I haven't even put it up to my nose. Sorry if you can hear that blowing, by the way. It is windy outside. But yeah, it's left a tiny, tiny little glow there. It feels amazing on the skin. Yeah. I am going to be slapping this on my face or my under eyes tonight when I go to bed. And guys, just to say it as well, anything you use for your face can go under your eyes. Anything under your eyes can be used on your face. Sometimes under eye stuff can be gimmicky. I do like using under eye stuff though, if I'm honest. I feel a bit bougie doing it, but yeah, you don't have to commit to just under eye products. You can use face products under your eye. But yeah, this sounds good and it smells gorgeous. The fourth item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand No Ordinary and it is a Revive Body Lotion. This has an RRP of £10 and it just says start and end your day with this invigorating body lotion. Specifically made to provide maximum moisture and hydration without feeling greasy. This body lotion will also leave your skin feeling revived and rejuvenated. A skincare essential for the colder months. It's free from SLES, parabens, silicons, synthetic fragrances and colorants. Okay, so to open it, it's got this bit here, but just for now, I'm just going to open it like that. It is sealed. I'm going to leave this one sealed, guys, because I actually have loads and loads of body lotions on the go at the moment. But yeah, we will definitely give it a try to see if it's any good. I've never heard of this brand before. No Ordinary. Have you? The fifth and final product in this box is this. So this is by the brand James & Co Fragrance and this is Mediterranean Orange Reed Diffuser. It has an RRP of £5.99 and it just says fill your home with the warming and bright notes of honey, orange flower, mandarin, juicy peach, tangy rhubarb, white flowers and amber. Lasts up to 6 weeks. Top tip, turn your reeds every 1 to 2 weeks for maximum scent. It's vegan and cruelty free. I love reed diffusers and I'm quite glad I've got one because my other ones just ran out. So let's open it up and have a little smell. So here are the reeds that go in the jar and here is the jar itself. It's just nice and plain, so should go with any decor. Smells gorgeous, so gorgeous. Right, so that's the little weeds in there. Let's just quickly turn them around now. It smells so nice. It smells like such a warm scent. Really, really nice. Let's pop that on there. So this is the November Discovered Beauty Box. What do you think? Right, so personally, it's an okay beauty box. It is. It's absolutely fine. But there's nothing special about this box, unfortunately. Every box that I've been getting from Discovered Beauty, it's had a wow factor in each box. And don't get me wrong, that eye serum, the Lift-In Eye Serum, sounds absolutely great. But yeah, there's nothing really grabbing me and wowing me with this box. Comparing it with other beauty boxes on the market at the moment, they do have basically the same products rotating around, same brands and stuff. So it is nice to have a beauty box that is separate from that. So you get brands in here you don't typically get in the other beauty boxes. Well, you get the Dr. Pawpaw, that's been in other beauty boxes a lot. And the Vegan by Happy Feet, but not this product, not that I've noticed in any way. But yeah, again, really nice box. I really like it, but I'm not as excited by it as other previous past boxes that I've had from Discovered Beauty. So in that regard, a little bit disappointing, which is a real shame. But overall, as I say, comparing it to other beauty boxes, it's good. If that made any sense at all. Let's hope that the December box, the Christmas box, is going to have the wow factor. I'm super excited for the December box. But yeah, what are your thoughts? Am I being too harsh on this? Is it just me? But yeah, comment down below and let me know. Make sure to enter my giveaway. The winner will be announced on Christmas Day. So head over to my Glossy Box Advent Calendar unboxing and make sure to enter that giveaway. So if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.